What size lotion can you take on a plane? When packing your carry-on for a flight, it's important to remember that any liquids, gels, or creams, including lotion, must be in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. This rule is in place for security reasons, and it applies to every type of lotion, whether it's a face moisturizer, body lotion, or sunscreen. Make sure you check the label before packing to avoid any surprises at the airport. Additionally, all these containers need to fit inside one clear quart-sized plastic bag. If your lotion is in a larger bottle, consider transferring a small amount into a travel-sized container, or pack it in your checked luggage if you don't need it during the flight. Keeping these tips in mind will help make your airport security checks smoother and your travel experience less stressful. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.